Select 3200. Here we go. We are going to randomize this list 5 times. Of course, the Chargers won't be in the list. So what we're going to do is randomize it 5 times without the Chargers on it. So of course, the team on top at the end will win the Chargers, which means that by law, not by law, but by Blake's preference, the Chargers must be removed because they cannot win themselves. Here we go. 5 times. 1. Select 3200. 2. 3. Searching for this break brought up a whole bunch of BCW stuff. 4. And 5. The winners are the Tennessee Titans. 5 times. Tabby, you're the only 10 I see. Who's got him?
As we were talking about the Titans, that's great.
Talon Huang has the Titans. He's now got the Chargers. Let's go. Yes, absolutely. Kai. Oh, wait. Bought Titans, huh? No, it's way you bought Texans. Sorry. I have Talon as... Yeah. Kai. I've been watching Brian Christopher Slots a lot lately. He puts like a video up when I wake up, for when I wake up and for when I go to sleep, so it's real convenient. Let's go. Alrighty, geez, auto off the bat here. DeAndre Swift, Nick Bosa, tricolor of Khalil Mack. That's all good, ZY. I thought something went wrong with me. And... to 49, silver rookie auto, Justin Herbert.
Jeez.
That is a big boy. Get your screenshots ready now. Do my hair again.
You look good in this little screen grab. Whoa.
Wow, that's very nice. And a Ben Roethlisberger.
Oh.
Well, that's a bit of a piss take.
First pack.
First pack.
Man knows how to.
Can you get some regular toppies?
Yeah. Man.
Talon, focus on driving. I don't have to keep the car. Oh, he's pulled over. Yeah, worth pulling over for, my friend. Cool auto set as well. 22 of 49. Beautiful. Stop the car. All right. I'll get the FedEx bill out again, Talon. I think it's your turn to cover this one. Oh, all right. Let's keep this up. Ezekiel Elliott, Khalil Mack to 99. Jerry Jeudy, jersey auto. And a silver Justin Jefferson for the Vikings. Oh, this box has got all-timer on it. Jonathan Taylor. That's right. Just sell it. PSA 10 sold for 5K USD. You got to be joking me. Dak Prescott. We got something else nice coming up. KJ Hamler. Joe Burrow. Blue. Number 21 of 49. That's a big boy. And it's the bloody courtside, field level. I can't even speak. Oh, Lord. What is this box? Jeez, at this point, you'd be happy with a tour base, wouldn't you? Wouldn't you? Like... Jeez, you sell enough of these big hits and you'll be able to get a Tesla. I had them. Where are they, Toby?
What are you after?
Regular sleeves. Gee whiz. And the next card's also not bad. Like, I was just... Like, I looked at it, I was like, you gotta be joking me? Bengals with Will Garrett. He will be happy with that. Is he in the chat tonight? Silver field level of old mate Jonathan Taylor. Oh, hey now. Hey now. This is what dreams are made of. So that's also pretty nice for what it's worth. Like, if you open a pack and got that, you'd be, okay, cool. And the silver Justin Jefferson? What? Gardner Minshew? Like, literally, we've got 3 at the top. Like, we're just missing 2 now. And he's coming in this pack right here. Tour and Love. And Jefferson's above Love as well, so. OBJ. Gabriel Davis, rookie. Deshaun Watson. Silver for the Panthers, Derek Brown, rookie, and A.J. Dillon. All right, it's in this pack right here. Jalen Reagor. Nick Chubb. For the Panthers, a tricolor of Luke Kuechly. A silver, Dak Prescott, and Tim Patrick, rookie. Come on. Big rookie box. Let's do this. Oh. Nearly sent my top loaders everywhere, but I'm all good. Andy Golden, Juju Smith-Schuster. Rookie selections, Jake Fromm, pick 167. Silver, Lamar Jackson. And an Aaron Rodgers. Bloody hell. This is a bit thicker. Come on, give us something good. We have something gold, Tabby. Like a sheet, like... I'm coming. We're not going to reveal it yet. It might just be a patch. Who knows? James Conner, Anthony McFarlane Jr. Orange, Chase Claypool. Now we'll reveal that. Baker Mayfield's on the back. Jeez, and that is old school. A gold patch order of Torrey Holt. 1 of 10. And the Chase Claypool is 49 of 49. This box is taking the piss. Baker Mayfield on the back as well. I don't know if I showed that properly. Joe Reed for the Chargers. Brennan Ayak. Purple Drew Lock. To 75. Silver Jalen Hurts.
We forgot about Hurtsy, didn't we?
And a Patrick Willis.
He thought, hey, don't forget about me, boys.
Yeah, listen, I'm in this top pick party. What are you doing? Darryl Taylor. Clyde Edwards-Helaire. Silver Snapshot Kyler Murray. Silver Caleb Von Chasson. And a LaMichael Perrine. Cam Akers. Jared Goff. Silver selections, Jameis Winston. Silver, Aaron Rodgers and Cesar Ruiz. Aaron Rodgers. Moss, Josh Jacobs, the Phenomenons. Silver, Clyde Edwards-Helaire, another good rookie. And Ed Reed. Come on. Big tour, last pack. Let's do this. Claypool, rookie. Drew Lock. Jim Plunkett selections. Silver to a Tagovailoa! You gotta be joking me! What? On the back there's a Jake Fromm, but wow! Sheesh. What a box of select! Absolutely TTP. Congratulations to everyone involved. Huge.